The following is a demonstration about basic troubleshooting within collections. We are starting off with all collections area where our FSA case collection is listed. We will go in there. Within this collection, we have multiple collection tasks to collect the data. One of the tasks has partial success as a status. So we can investigate why this job is partially successful or what has failed in this job. You can also have failed jobs here, and you can investigate those failed jobs same way. If you click on partial success, this will open a log file. This is a task status log. It does not give you much information in this area, but every task is associated with a job, and there's a separate job log, which is listed right here. If you see this yellow icon, this is where the job started. If you click on this icon, it opens a job log. Within a job log, you notice there is an option or a sentence which says partial success due to validation errors. It also tells you to inspect the validation log at the following location on your eDiscovery platform appliance. So either you can open that file and try to investigate issues yourself, or you can open a support call with support. There is another way to open this job log. We will going to close this. You can go to System and then click on Jobs. Again, you have different filters available to filter if you want to look at jobs in the last 24 hours or 7 days, and what kind of job you are looking at: system job, identification collection job, or any jobs ran in particular case. So in our case, it was identification and collection job, and you can see this one is the collection job for client, on-site client collection. We can click on the log in front of it and notice it's the same log, and it has partial success due to validation errors. So this is another way to open this log. Now, if you go to this location, which is inspect validation log on the appliance, what we will do is we'll switch to appliance and look at this log. So now we have switched to appliance, server 3 in this case, and we browse to the same location as specified in the log, and this is the log which is mentioned as validation log. And we do notice that there are 3 different files which are actually have access denied error and has error 5. So we can investigate it ourselves. There's also uncollected log. These are all the items which are not collected. And if you open them, and you will see the same 3 files which have the access denied in there. Again, you can investigate it yourself, or you can open a support call and figure out why you got access denied. We are going to switch to our client again. Close this log. Now, once you're ready to send logs to support, you can also go to System, click on Logs, and click. This is where you can send logs to semantic support. So you can select your appliance here. You can specify the name of the log. You can specify the date ranges, and then you can either send logs using HTTPS or FTP, or you can save it as a zip file and then use a different method to send logs to support. You can also view different logs yourself. You can click on View Logs, and you can look at logs from last 2 days, last 7 days, or any time, and you can also do searches within the log. You can click Update. There are quite a few logs here, so to filter them, you can type keywords under containing fields. So we are interested in jobs which have a keyword client. And we can update. Now we are interested in collection job, so we will look at a job which is ICP, remote job, which is right here. And this log also has a lot of information, and not all the information is pertaining to our particular issues. So again, at this point, you can investigate the issues through the logs, or you can always open a support call with semantic support. Again, you have an option of specifying keywords here, like client or errors or partial success. And again, you can open a support case. This concludes our demonstration about basic troubleshooting for collections.